Welcome to Luxury Getaways.
Welcome.
Where you will receive your complimentary stay to Massanutten Resort in Shenandoah Valley in Virginia.
Yep.
Williamsburg Plantation Resort in Williamsburg, Virginia.
Yep.
The Grandview at Las Vegas in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Great.
The Vacation Village at Parkway in Orlando, Florida.
Yep.
And Vacation Village at Weston in Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
Amazing.
Vacationing at the Grandview in Las Vegas Resort affords you and your family the ultimate entertainment.
Great entertainment.
Situated less than 6 miles from the famed Las Vegas Strip, the resort features spacious 1 and 2 bedroom floor plans.
Yep.
Offers easy access to glitz and glamour of Las Vegas. Take in a fabulous show of Court Lady Luck in one of the area's famous casinos.
Great.
Adjacent to South Point Casino, enjoy a meal in one of many restaurants or create an epic delight in your own private kitchen, equipped with range microwave convection oven, full-size refrigerator with ice maker, dishwasher, coffee maker, and toaster. Other accommodation amenities include a washer and dryer in every suite.
Bring your family.
Famous South Florida spa, tennis and golf community of Weston lies vacationer's dream at Vacation Village at Weston Resort. Indulge in spacious 1 and 2 bedroom suites with amenities like private jacuzzi tubs, kitchens, and living and dining areas.
Bring your friends.
If you can fear yourself away from the resort's pools and relaxation outdoor whirlpool, you'll find world-class shopping, horseback riding, tennis and golf, and restaurants that await you.
Great restaurant.
Local nightlife and evening entertainment
You'll love it.
are nearby on the world-famous Fort Lauderdale Beach Strip,
You will love
only a short drive away.
Nice.
A Vacation Village at Parkway in Orlando, Florida offers the best of Florida in a great location. Minutes from Orlando's theme parks like Disney's Magic Kingdom, Universal Studios, and SeaWorld, the resort offers lovely spacious accommodations.
Wow.
Perfect for couples and families alike. The 2,672 guest rooms are surrounded by 7 pools, along with the hot tub, barbecue grills, and children's playground.
Bring your family.
All within short driving distance. You can explore historic St. Augustine, Kennedy Space Center, Busch Gardens, and Silver Springs. Or you may find you'll never want to leave the resort after seeing the fully staffed activity center with weekly planned activities that enhance our guest vacation experience.
It's
and
awesome.
You can explore Massanutten.
Great resort.
Experience the mountain life in Massanutten, Virginia. A breakthrough property. Massanutten Resort features 6,000 acres of mountain fun at its very best.
Great fun.
Unique in both its size, variety of amenities, and outstanding condo and hotel accommodations.
Great.
Massanutten has secured its spot as one of the premier all-seasons resort destinations on the East Coast. Williamsburg Plantation Resort consists of 78 buildings with a total of 303 units. All buildings have 2 floors and no elevators.
Bring your family.
Williamsburg, Virginia, a town with American history, is perfect location for fun-filled family vacationing.
Come on out.
At Williamsburg Plantation Resort, you are just minutes from historic sites of colonial Williamsburg,
very historic,
Jamestown Settlement, Yorktown Battlefield, and American Revolutionary Museum, formerly known as the Yorktown Victory Center. Also nearby are 2 award-winning theme parks, Busch Gardens Europe and Water Country USA. Great water parks. Spreading out over 78 acres, the resort features indoor and outdoor swimming pools and a host of other amenities, including an on-site spa designated to enrich your stay, in one of America's favorite vacation destinations.
Book today.
Now here I'm going to show you how you can get your complimentary stay to all 5 of these resorts.
This is how.
This is how you're going to get your stay.
This is how.
Okay, if you want to go to Massanutten Resort, you would call 1-888-850-3585.
Yeah.
If you want to go to Williamsburg Plantation Resort, you would call 757-874-6422.
Yeah.
If you want to take your complimentary stay to Grandview at Las Vegas, you would call 888-595-6255.
Yeah.
If you would like to visit Vacation Village at Parkway in Orlando, Florida, you would call 800-932-9846. And if you would like to visit Vacation Village at Weston in Fort Lauderdale, you would call 800-932-9846. You would call anytime and let them know that Xavier Strain II and or Shannon Strain recommended you for a complimentary stay.
Yep, that's it.
You will have to give them our ARP number as well, which is 1135707.
Yeah.
Again, our ARP number is 1135707. After that, you would let them know when you want to go, and that's it.
That's all you have to do.
Another way is give me your phone number, and I'll call in for you. They would give you a call, and then you would let them know when you want to go on your trip, and that would be it.
That's all. Easy.
Another way is to email your name and phone number to masscomplimentarystay@gmail.com. That's masscomplimentarystay@gmail.com. They will give you a call, then let them know when you want to take a trip, and then you're all set.
That's it.
Following any one of these steps will get you your complimentary stay. And remember, this is for any and everybody.
Everybody.
So feel free to give them this information to anyone you know who needs it or wants it.
For anyone. For everybody.
And have fun on all these trips.
Have a great time.
These are great trips.
Have fun.
The complimentary stay is the best. You can make memories. The complimentary stay is great for weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, parties, vacations, getaways, holidays, events, baby shower, family reunions, or bachelor or bachelorette parties, or even if you want to get some relaxation and peace. Complimentary stay is great.
Awesome.
And why wait? Take your complimentary stay today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the page. And there's info in the description for you to take your complimentary stay. All the information you need is in the description of the video.
All the information you need.
So you and your family can enjoy all 5 places.
Have the greatest time of your life. Have the greatest time of your life.
Have fun. Take your stay today.
Book today.